Page 61, Haydn's Surprise. Haydn is another very famous and influential composer. You can read about him or Google about him. Here we're talking skipping again. From B, I don't care what note you skip from. You're skipping from a note to a note, whatever. I don't care which direction you're going. And the skips we're talking about is every other note. So it's space to space or line to line. All right, close enough. Now, Haydn's Surprise. This is a theme from the Surprise Symphony. You can Google the Surprise Symphony and listen to it. A theme, remember, is a melody or a part of a melody. And this melody's in that symphony. I'll look it over. It's one line long. The clef signs treble and bass clef. The time signature is still 4/4 time. And throughout it's the quarter notes and half notes. All right. Let's take it both hands together. Yeah. Right hand starts on middle C here. That puts the hand here. You don't need any of those other finger numbers. Please don't be reading finger numbers. You need to remember which note is on which key. How you do it is up to you. It takes time. You keep at it. It comes. Believe me, it comes. So it's here. The left hand is thumb here. So we're here. And it's the quarter notes. They're skips. The idea? So I go through and I play the notes and the rhythms okay, and then I go back over it however many times it takes, slowly, and I get rid of the hesitations. And I can play this without looking at the keyboard. I can remember which finger is on which key. Then I can add the dynamics. MF at the beginning is moderately loud, whatever you think that is. When I get to measure 5, there's a P. That means soft. Now it's soft. Very light. Yeah. And then for the last 2 measures, now we're back to F. Now it's loud, it's heavy. Look through its clefs a little bit on this. So I get the dynamics put in. I'm feeling the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, exaggerate them if you need to, but it's important you feel these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The speed, somewhere in the middle, about where I've been playing actually, is fine. Now don't copy me, please. You feel the music. You play it at your speed. You feel the natural accents and the dynamics and all. When you're ready, you can play it at least slowly with no hesitations. Let's play it together, just to check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. We're not performing it. We're just playing notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 4. 4. 3, 4, off. I'd like to do the duet at the bottom of the page. You play what you just played. You can play it right where it is. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, not much. Let's just play it together. 1, 2, ready, go.